Welcome to Neurolink Meditation. Find a comfortable position, close your eyes, and take a deep breath. Let's begin. Taplo, quat, the set, 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 the five, indulge blunts with mind, sense, mind. There is no need to change anything. No need to strive or fix or become. Simply be here, exactly as you are, in this sanctuary of stillness. Indo, Yao, take a slow, deep breath in through your nose, feeling your lungs expand fully, and as you exhale through your mouth, release any tension you've been holding, letting go of the day, letting go of the past, letting go of all that does not serve this moment. With each breath, you are already drifting deeper into a state of profound peace. Said, you might notice how your shoulders begin to soften, your jaw unclenches, your hands relax as if the very cells of your body are sighing with relief. This is your invitation to let the world fade away, to let the noise of thoughts settle like dust in still air. Bring your awareness to the center of your chest, right where your heart beats. Feel the warmth there, the gentle pulse of life. And as you breathe, imagine that warmth expanding, radiating outward in soft waves, like sunlight spreading across a calm ocean. Now, recall a time when you felt deeply at peace. Let that feeling grow. Let it fill your chest, your stomach, your entire being. Yeah. And this is your inner peace, your natural state of tranquility, always available to you. And as you feel it now, anchor it. Press your thumb and forefinger together gently, just like this, and let that gesture become a trigger for this profound calm. Breathe deeply, and with each exhale, let the peace deepen. You are not trying to create peace. You are simply remembering what has always been there. Peace is not something you attain. It is something you return to. And in this moment, you are returning home. Now, let us weave this peace into every part of your being. Imagine a soft golden light at the base of your spine, a light that holds the essence of tranquility. As you breathe in, Feel that light rise slowly up your spine, warming each vertebra, releasing any tension, any holding, any resistance. Up through your lower back, your middle back, your upper back, until it reaches the base of your skull. Now, let the golden light flow down your arms, into your hands, your fingers. Now, let the golden light flow down your arms, into your hands, your fingers. Feel your hands become heavy, warm, and completely relaxed. And as it flows, it carries peace into every cell, every nerve, every fiber of your being. And let the well down your torso, into your legs, your feet. Feel your feet grounded, connected to the earth, stable and secure. And with each breath, the peace deepens, spreads, and becomes your entire experience. Breathe in peace. Breathe out gratitude. Breathe in calm. Breathe out release. Now, I invite you to listen to these words as they settle into your subconscious like seeds into fertile soil. Each affirmation is a truth that your mind and body already embody. I am safe, Foset Rai. I am safe. Schools probably Mayar. Every part of me, the universe, faced in they. Every part of me, possibly of garden and steft. No, nothing can disturb the peace that lives within me. Nothing can disturb the peace that lives within me. I am whole. Schools, every part of me, my joys, my sorrows, my strengths, my vulnerabilities, all are welcome here. Schools, I do not need to fix or change anything to be at peace. Schools, I am already complete, already enough, already at home in the steads, peace tapes, Kanjar, And take of schools, they are not just words. They are vibrations that reshape the very fabric of your being. Oh, your mind is like a garden, and these affirmations are seeds of peace planted now, ready to bloom. Now, imagine a scene of perfect tranquility. Perhaps it is a quiet beach at dawn, where the waves whisper secrets to the shore. Moping out, or a forest glade where sunlight filters through leaves, dappling the mossy ground. Now, bring that feeling of peace into your heart, fully a projection. Let it expand, filling your chest, your throat, your head. Let it flow into your arms, your hands, your fingers, that travel down your spine, into your legs, your feet. Your entire body is now a vessel of peace, radiating calm from the inside out, taking another complete step day. And as you exhale, let go of any remaining tension. The dates anigh. The anchor you created earlier, the gentle touch of your thumb and forefinger, is a key that opens the door to this peace. You can use it whenever you need to feel centered, calm, and balanced. Take another deep breath, and as you exhale, let go of any remaining tension. You are light. You are free. You are at peace. There is nothing you need to do, nowhere you need to be, no one you need to become. In this moment, you are exactly where you are meant to be. There is nothing you need to do, nowhere you need to be, no one you need to become. In this moment, you are exactly where you are meant to be. Fully breath in. Take one more deep breath, filling your lungs with calm. And as you exhale, release any last trace of effort, of striving, of wanting things to be different. You are already whole. You are already at peace. You are already home. In the days ahead, you'll notice this transformation unfolding naturally within you. Perhaps it's a moment of clarity, a surge of inner strength, or simply a deeper peace you hadn't felt before. These words have planted seeds deep in your subconscious, and they will grow effortlessly in their own time. Each time you return to this practice, they grow stronger. Your transformation continues even now. Beyond this meditation, woven into the fabric of your being. And when you're ready, gently open your eyes, carrying this wisdom with you into your day. Until we meet again in stillness.